Variegated shrub with its eye-catching foliage, and shrubs with vibrant textures and patterns can be a lovely addition to the landscape. Planting shrubs can really help your landscape design pull together and work together with other elements of your garden to create a beautiful overall curb appeal. Select the shrubs with bright foliage, beautiful textures and vibrant colors showing multi-season interest. This is the best way to keep better-looking garden with low maintenance for all seasons of the year. Let's check few best shrubs with fantastic foliage for landscaping. Jazz Hands Variegated Loropetalum. It is first ever variegated shrub with strong growing habit and outstanding foliage. New growth is splashed with pink and white variegation, while mature foliage is a rich purple color. Mature plant growth is 4 to 6 feet tall and 4 feet wide. Hardiness zones are 7 to 9. Hypericum tricolor, a popular cultivar. It is multicolored foliage, small and semi-evergreen shrub showing very attractive variegated foliage. Its lanceolate-shaped leaves are 2 inches long, and accompanied by yellow flowers during the summer months. This shrub's compact size makes it ideal when planted in containers framing a doorway or patio. It grows 1 to 2.5 feet height, and 2 to 3 feet wide. Hardiness zones are 6 to 9. White Album Wintercreeper, a compact showy shrub with attractive creamy white variegated, and dark green foliage. The glossy oval-shaped leaves are highly ornamental, and remain dark green throughout the winter. A perfect ground cover, with consistent growing habit, grows up to 2 feet tall and spread. Sunjoy to-do barberry, very contrast coloring shrub with vivid dark red foliage. It is excellent option to add a low maintenance and colorful foliage to the landscape. This compact selection will brighten beds and borders, or it can be used as a mass planting for colorful impact to large landscapes. Sunjoy barberry grows 18 to 24 inches tall and spread. Hardiness zone are 4 to 8. Double play candy cone spirea. If you're looking to add bright color to your landscape, this candy cone spirea is the plant for you. New growth appears in vivid red color. As the new growth matures it turns a very attractive bright yellow color. It blooms deep purple flowers from late spring to early summer time of the year. This spirea grows 1.5 to 2 feet tall and wide. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9. Banana split daphne, a very unique evergreen daphne shrub, with variegated leaves and attractive pattern. Glassy showy leaves are in rich olive green, with bright yellow streaks and edges. Definitely a unique pattern to add vibrant colors to your landscape area. It prefers partial shade. Mature growth is from 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. Summer wine ninebark deserves a spot in your garden, for its dramatic foliage and a handsome upright habit. Its dark purple-black foliage provides an excellent contrast color for green background in your landscape. You definitely complement the beauty of white flowers from deep red branches on this winebark during spring season. You can enjoy the deep red branches foliage for its contrast to the green backgrounds in your landscape. This plant grows up to 6 feet tall and wide. My Monet, Weigela, Florida. A perfect compact variegated shrub, with green and white variegated foliage all season long. For its compact growth and nature, it is best fit for containers, to bring multi-season interest to your porch or deck areas. It blooms pink flowers during early spring season on top of beautiful variegated foliage. Hardiness zones are 4 to 6, its mature growth is 12 to 18 inches tall and 18 to 24 inches spread. Lemony lace elderberry will be a garden standout, as it lives up to its lemony lime name and green foliage. The new growth starts off as a orangey red, and then turns to a golden green. In the spring, white flowers appear that will turn into bright red fruit in the fall season. Hardiness zones are 4 to 7, it prefers partial sun to full sun. Its mature growth is 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. Lucky Devil Ninebark, with bright yellow leaves, this compact shrub is a spectacular plant to serve as a focal point. This compact shrub is a multi-season wonder, with beautiful white blooms in spring, showy bright yellow foliage in summer, and orange color foliage in fall season. With a mature size of 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, this beautiful shrub stands out as beautiful multi-season interest plant in your landscape area. Hardiness zones are 3 to 7. There are other shrub varieties that adds contrast color to elevate landscape foliage, such as Globosa Colorado Blue Spruce, Brass Buckle Japanese Holly, Tricolor Dappled Willow, and Miss Lemon Abelia are few to name. Most of these shrubs provide a bright foliage for most seasons of the year. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please go ahead, give a thumbs up and subscribe to House Talks. Thank you.